I'm Bonnie with WTI, and today I have my isotoner Satin Ballerina Slippers. They're simple, yet elegant, comfortable, and I just love these because I can wear them anywhere. Whenever I want to go to the store real quick, jump in the car. And what I really like too is that when I've worn them a few times, I can just throw them in the washer. I can wear it with a cute little outfit, a skirt, if I want to go to lunch with my sisters. And as you can see here, I have my capris rolled up under my skirt because after we're going to be going down to the park and I want to walk on the grass a little, but I'm a little nervous because there's so many dogs. So I wear these, and that way my feet are protected, and when I get home just throw them in the washer again. And that's my point of view.